how to practice for the OET exam.
Hey there, future healthcare professional. Are you ready to ace the OET exam? Whether you're a nurse, doctor, or healthcare worker, the Occupational English Test, or OET, is your gateway to working in an English-speaking environment. If you're a beginner, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive into how you can start practicing for your OET exam. Step 1. Familiarize yourself with medical English. The OET tests your ability to communicate effectively in real-world healthcare situations. So start by reading medical articles, watching interviews with doctors, or even medical TV shows. This will build your vocabulary and get you comfortable with medical terminology. Step 2. Practice writing referral letters. Writing is a key part of the OET. You'll be asked to write a referral or discharge letter. Begin by practicing with sample prompts. Focus on clarity, structure, and using appropriate formal language. Step 3. Sharpen your listening skills. In the listening section, you'll hear patient consultations or healthcare lectures. To practice, listen to podcasts or audio recordings on medical topics, and try to take notes like you would during the exam. Step 4. Role-play speaking tasks. The speaking section tests your ability to have real-life conversations with patients. Grab a friend or practice alone, and role-play scenarios where you're explaining treatment plans, providing reassurance, or answering patient questions. Step 5. Improve your reading skills. The OET reading section has a mix of short and long texts on healthcare topics. Practice reading quickly but carefully. Summarize paragraphs and highlight important details. This will help you handle exam pressure. Bonus tip: create a study plan and stick to it. Consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to focus on one section of the OET and make sure to practice in exam-like conditions. With these tips, you're well on your way to acing the OET exam. Remember, it's all about practice, patience, and progress. Start today, and soon enough, you'll be ready to communicate confidently in the healthcare environment. Good luck, and you've got this.